Alright, what's happening, guys? Welcome to today's video. Today I just want to make a really quick short video about 5 travel hacks that have helped me along the way. It's a scorcher outside today here in New York City. It's about 95 degrees, so I apologize if I'm a little sweaty, but we'll just keep kicking it. So without further ado, travel hack number 1, pins. Keep pins everywhere. Put them in a plastic bag, put them in your carry-on, put them in your luggage, put them in your purse, your suitcase, everywhere. Just keep pins readily available. You never know when you're going to need them to fill out immigration documents, and when you're 30,000 feet in the air, it's not a very good time to need a pin and not have one. Travel hack number 4, keep copies of everything. Email yourself copies of everything. Take photos of your passport, your credit cards, your debit cards, bank statements, whatever you may need. Email it to yourself so it is password protected. That way it's not just like floating around on your phone. And make sure your email is safe too. But email yourself photos of everything. It definitely will help you out. You know, printed out copies aren't necessarily the best, but at the same time, if you're traveling abroad and you need to print something out, if you've lost your passport or something and you need to print it out, it's better than nothing. Keep digital copies everywhere. Number 3, there are 2 things here. This is a 2-part one. Keep toiletries in a water bottle. I love this. This is a glass water bottle. It's a little bit heavier than I would like. I should probably update to a plastic water bottle one of these days. But this is huge. I've got a toothbrush, toothpaste. You can even buy like a little travel thing of shaving cream that will fit in there. This is huge. Recommend a plastic one, even though mine is glass. Second part of this, they sell these at the Dollar Tree. It's $1. Toothbrush, toothpaste. I keep one everywhere. I keep one in my car. Keep one in all my luggages. They just stay there, okay? I never take them out. That way if I forget a toothbrush and toothpaste, I know I'm covered. I don't have to pay high prices at some sort of an airport or hotel place. So travel hack number 2. This might sound a little bit complex, but it's worth it, trust me. With your luggage, whether it's a big piece of luggage, carry-on, or anything like that, pack it in order that you actually wear things. So I keep my shoes and stuff at the bottom, I keep my pants, and then my underwear, and then my shirts, and it just, that way the way I dress is the way it's packed in my suitcase. Definitely will help you out. There will be a time where you're digging around things and you're saying, oh, I wish I knew where this stuff was. Helps me keep everything exactly packed perfectly. And I always pack things like this, stacked up, never placed in my bag. That's a huge one as well. And travel hack number 1, buy a carabiner. Oh my God, this is huge. I'll link one below. Definitely get one that's climbing, so it's good and strong, heavy duty. It's not going to break on you. It's only a few extra dollars rather than like the cheapo ones. And get a locking one. So I always, that way if you're traveling somewhere, you clip it around something and it locks. It doesn't necessarily have like a combination lock, but at the same time, if someone's gonna snatch and grab your bag, they're gonna have to play with this for at least a minute before they actually kind of figure out how this works. It's not exactly the simplest thing. All these are different, so if you've mastered one, you don't necessarily master the other one. And also, I keep one on my backpack at all times, whether I'm traveling or not. That way, if I'm in the bathroom or anything like that, and it needs to clip over, so it goes like this on the handle, and then you just, if you want to clip over a bathroom stall or something, that way it's hanging there, you're not setting things on the floor. You can even clip like shopping bags around this. It's so useful. I carry this everywhere I go. This is the number 1 travel hack. You'll thank me later. So, alright guys, thanks for watching today's video. I know it's not too much today. It's a scorcher outside. So you guys have a wonderful day. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and we'll see you tomorrow. Have a good one.